Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the codecom.org. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Java on macOS using terminal. So for this you need to have homebrew installed and set up. So to check your homebrew version, click on command and space. It will open the spotlight search for terminal. Open the terminal. I will increase the font size and you need to write brew version to check the version of homebrew installed. So I already installed the homebrew 4.1. so if you don't have homebrew installed, you can go to your browser and search for homebrew. It will take you to the homebrew installation website, so you can copy the instruction from the website, and it's really easy and straightforward. You just need to copy this command and it will instruct you through the installation. So you need to go back to terminal after installing the homebrew, and you need to type brew install open jdk. This will download and install the latest version of Java. So what I have done first, it updated all dependency on the homebrew, and after that it started fetching the OpenJDK or the Java SDK from official website. So it's downloading right now, and it will install the JDK, which is Java Development Kit, after downloading it. So if you're seeing these beer classes, it's a good sign. It means it's till now it's success. As you can see, it says Java has been installed. If you wanna export the environmental variable, so you can copy this command here and run it through terminal. So I'm not gonna do it because I already did it. Right now it's the time to check for Java version, so you need to write down Java version. As you can see, the Java version 21 has been successfully installed. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.